Tired of screen glare and endless distractions? Imagine a world where your favorite books are always at your fingertips, in a device designed purely for reading. Today, we're diving into the newest Amazon Kindle, promising an enhanced, distraction-free literary journey. This Kindle is Amazon's lightest and most compact model yet. Its ergonomic design makes one-handed reading a breeze, perfect for long sessions. The 6-inch glare-free display feels just like real paper, even in bright sunlight. The adjustable front light, now 25% brighter, and dark mode ensure comfortable reading day or night. Customers consistently praise its perfect size and lightweight feel. It truly fits anywhere, from your pocket to your smallest bag. Experience faster page turns and a higher contrast ratio for crystal clear text. With up to 6 weeks of battery life on a single charge, your reading marathon won't be interrupted. This Kindle is built for endurance. Its 16GB storage holds thousands of books, magazines, and comics. Plus, with 3 months of Kindle Unlimited included, you unlock access to over 4 million titles and audiobooks. Your next great read is always waiting. Escape the digital noise with a device dedicated solely to books. No notifications, no social media, just you and your story. This Kindle creates a truly immersive and distraction-free reading environment. It's your personal sanctuary for uninterrupted literary adventures. Beyond its features, this Kindle is designed with sustainability in mind. It uses 75% recycled plastics and 90% recycled magnesium. Even its packaging is 100% recyclable, making it a smart choice for the planet. With a stellar 4.6-star rating from over 12,000 reviews, readers love its compact size, lightweight feel, and impressive battery life. While some users noted occasional syncing quirks, the overall consensus highlights its excellent readability and ease of use. It's a beloved companion for book lovers. Ready to transform your reading experience? Click the link in the description to learn more about the Amazon Kindle and grab yours today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews.